How to start a blog with Bluehost. If you've ever thought about starting a blog, the first step is getting a reliable web host. You want to share your passion, build a brand, or earn online income. One of the most beginner-friendly and popular choices for launching your blog is Bluehost. In this video, I'll walk you through how to start your blog using Bluehost. You can do it even if you've never built a website before. Why choose Bluehost? Officially recommended by WordPress. User-friendly for beginners, free domain for the first year, 24/7 customer support, one-click WordPress install, ready to start? Let's get started. Step 1. Click to visit Bluehost. The link is provided in the description of this video. It comes with a discount. You'll land on their homepage. Click on the Get Started button to begin. Step 2. Choose a hosting plan. You'll be presented with a few options. Basic, ideal for one blog. Plus or Choice Plus, great if you want more storage or multiple sites. Online store, best for e-commerce. Tip, start with the basic plan if you're just launching your first blog. Step 3. Pick your domain name. Bluehost gives you a free domain name for your first year. Choose a name that matches your brand, niche, or personality. Step 4. Fill out your details. Enter your name, email, location, and payment info. You'll also see some optional extras like domain privacy and site backup. You can choose to keep these or uncheck them to save money. Step 5. Set up WordPress. Once payment is completed, Bluehost will guide you through the WordPress installation. It's just one click, no technical skills needed. You'll pick a theme and be taken to your new WordPress dashboard. Step 6. Start blogging. Now the fun part begins. Create your first post, customize your design, add categories and menus, install key plugins, and just like that, your blog is live on the internet. In just 10 to 15 minutes, you can go from idea to online. Start creating your blog today.